Insatsledare i trafikolycka. Signal. Trafikolycka. Signal. Personbil.
We are now in a fire station in Örnsköldsvik, 600 kilometers north of Stockholm. Then I first heard about the project Healthy Firefighters. I felt that the barrier concept from Electrolux Professional would be the perfect solution. Our barrier concept and laundry knowledge have supported them when they developed a procedure to minimize the contact with contaminated garments and the risk of getting cancer.
Did you know that a firefighter has a shorter life expectancy than other professionals? In Sweden, fire brigades had an increasing case of cancer in the last years among their teams. During their daily work, the firefighters are exposed to fire and dangerous chemical substances. Different organizations such as the Swedish Firefighter Union and local authorities developed a nationwide project called Healthy Firefighter to face and try to solve this issue.
After a call-out, contaminated clothes and equipment are packed and transported separate from the firefighters. Contaminated garments are handled and washed in a controlled and safe manner thanks to our barrier concept.
Electrolux Professional was asked to focus not only on machines and uniforms, but also on people and their health. The goal was to develop a procedure to minimize the risk of contamination.
Now I'm safe and ready for the next call out.